Does onion really help your eyes? I've heard a lot of things by some people who say that anytime you have something in your eyes or your eyes are irritating you to death and you can't take it anymore, you just take an onion and slice it and put the slice of onion in front of your face until your eyes burn out, and that helps your eye heal. But is this true? Is onion healthy for your eyes? The answer will come right after this intro. So don't go anywhere. I hear a lot of people say that putting onion in front of your eye or chopping onions helps your eye magically heal and makes your eye clearer than it is. And the answer is no. This is because that when chopping onions, you're potentially chopping sulfur, and sulfur, when released into the atmosphere, combines with oxygen and forms sulfur oxide, which is a radical, and when it comes in contact with your eye, is very acidic and causes those burning sensations, which people actually thinks helps your eye heal. Well, that is not true. Cutting onions also helps the eye in the sense that it serves as an antioxidant and help fight out oxidizing bacteria in your eyes. So I hope you got a little bit of an understanding on this. This is somewhat a myth that onions help magically clear your eyes, which it doesn't. So if you like this type of content, please hit that like button and also subscribe down below if you want more of this. I'm potentially going to be making it. If you haven't seen my last video, click the second link in the description box below. And all my social media handles are going to be posted down in the description below. If you want to follow me, you can do it. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Fir Malenge. Oh, my hair is kind of messed up. But Fir Malenge.